Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you one of the best day trading strategy you can ever think of. And this strategy comprises of two important trading concepts, namely time frames, chart patterns, confirmation, and candlestick confirmation. You see, trading, it's difficult, okay, undoubtedly, but then you can always, have your way and then know what the market is doing, study the behavior of the market, and then you are good to go. And on a daily, you can be making tangible thing out of the market, right? So straight into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new on this channel, and don't forget to like and share this video so that Facebook will recommend it to people who are looking for day trading strategies and those who want to make money out of the market, right? So first thing first, as soon as you get to your trading chart, right, the first thing you need to do is to identify and see the bigger movement of the market, right? I've always emphasized this, okay, in virtually all my videos, where I tell you guys to always see the picture, the bigger picture of the market, right? Before we continue, let's scale into the market. Okay, I'm monitoring this trade on my PC on trading view. Okay, and lest I forget, I told you guys, if you need me to show you how to customize your layout on trading view, Deriv, that is synthetic indices, you let me know. I do that kind of video so that you guys will know how to do that. I know a lot of you know it already, but still some of you need to know that, right? So I'm monitoring this particular pair. This is volatility 25, and I'm just going to take a few trades, switch to my phone now, and then I'll take a few trades and we'll continue, right? So that's just it. Yes, now I said as soon as you get to your trading chart, okay, the first thing you need to do is that you identify and see the bigger picture of the market, and of course the momentum of the market. Okay, you ask yourself the question, is the market going up or coming down, right? Is it making series of higher highs or lower lows? Okay, and as you can clearly see from this pair now, price is making, maybe I should further zoom in. Okay, let me zoom in so that you see that price is actually making series of higher highs and higher lows. Okay, just as you can see. So this price is clearly on a bullish move, right? As you can see. Now you ask yourself that question, right? Now the best time frame to identify this, of course, is no other than the 4 hours time frame, although you can as well use daily time frame, but you are looking for the trading strategy, and possibly you are a scalper, right? So the best time frame to use is the 4 hour time frame. Okay, and as a day trader and even as a scalper, right? And in some cases as intraday trader, right? I mean, as a swing trader. Okay, now after doing this is 4 hours time frame. After doing that, right, now that is after identifying the longer move and of course the momentum of the market, then you move down to 1 hour time frame. You switch down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, now what do you do when you get to 1 hour time frame, right? The 1 hour time frame helps you to spot the pattern confirmation and the short-term movement of the market. Okay, in the 1 hour time frame, it shows you, okay, what classic pattern is being printed, what classic pattern is being formed, and of course which could either be a continuation pattern, a reversal pattern, or a consolidation pattern. Okay, finally, after coming to 1 hour time frame, right, you switch to either 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. Why do you do that? Because you want to confirm whether to buy or sell or stay away. That is wait in the meantime. Okay, that is what you need to do by switching to 1 hour time frame. Now at that moment, you are confirming at that moment, do I need to sell, do I need to buy, or do I need to wait for a while? Okay, so to do that, I said you need to switch from 1 hour to either 15 minutes or 5 minutes, but preferably 15 minutes so that you reduce a lot of noise, right? So, and I said that at that moment you want to know, confirm whether you have to sell, buy, or stay away. Okay, and there are a few things, there are several things that you can use to confirm that, right? Okay, it could be either the candlestick pattern and some other things such as but the most important is candlestick pattern. But then there are other things. Okay, there are several other things you can use to confirm that, okay, on 15 minutes time frame or on 5 minutes time frame. But notably the candlestick pattern is very, very important. There are indicators, important indicators that you can carefully manipulate their parameters to give you strong confirmation or entry and exit points. Okay, other things that can as well give you such entry signal or entry confirmation, okay, can include break of structures, trend line breaks, break of support and resistance, and so on. Remember, I said your reason for switching to 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame is to confirm your entry, and you are going to be seeing a lot of candlestick patterns. You'll be asking yourself, do I need to buy or sell at this point? Okay, and there are reversal candlestick pattern that can confirm the pattern that is the classic pattern that is being developed in 1 hour time frame that will signal you to either sell, buy, or wait for a while, right? Please kindly know that trading is, of course, very, very difficult, but then it's not really as difficult as we take it to be, right? For those who have invested the most important thing in trading, right? Now I'm going to be saying a few things about this particular pair right now. So we'll be talking about the pattern. Okay, having identified this as a bullish trend, right? Okay, let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. Let me show you something. Okay, 1 hour time frame first. Okay, now on 1 hour time frame, we see something that looks like bullish flag, which is a continuation pattern. Now it gave us a bullish flag somewhere here. Okay, this was a bullish flag, right? It's a bullish flag somewhere here, and then price later continued upward, and then this is also a pattern that is being developed that looks more like a bullish flag. Okay, but we'll have to wait for confirmation as well. So but then I've always said something. Okay, now this could be a developing bullish flag. Now if you understand what price is doing here, even while you are waiting to confirm your bullish impulsive move, right, you can be trading, okay, can be taking buys or sells. Okay, buys when price bounces off from the lower point, and then sells when price, you short when price bounces off from the high point, right? So if you go over to 15 minutes time frame, okay, it's clearer here. Now it's clearer. Now if this is actually a big market, right, for scalpers, right, and even for day traders, okay, remember that in most cases the goal of day trading is to capture at least a single move, because every pair makes a single impulsive move per day. At least some pairs make several impulsive moves per day, right? So but then if you're able to, as a day trader, you are catching just, okay, this was an impulsive move from here, this was an impulsive move from here. Okay, that was probably yesterday, yeah, on the 25th. Okay, 25th, price made this impulsive move. Now assuming you were able to catch the move, okay, remember that there was a bullish flag here. Okay, this place arranged. Let me zoom out a bit so that you'll understand what I'm saying. Yeah, okay, this was a bullish move, okay, a bullish flag that led to that bullish move. Okay, this was the okay. Now you have something like this. Okay, this can be seen as, of course, a bullish flag, right? Now, if you were able to catch the move when this was broken, when this place was broken, this was an impulsive move, a impulsive bullish move, right? Impulsive bullish move. Okay, that's exactly what is playing out here now. Okay, that's exactly what is playing out here. Now I'm going to be deleting this, but the point is this: your ability to understand what the price is doing at any point in time helps you to take advantage of it, right? So this now, if you know that a bullish flag is being formed here, right, then as a scalper you can be scalping while you are waiting for the strong bullish impulsive move. Okay, now I understand that in some cases bullish flag might fail. Bullish flag is a continuation flag, okay, that signals a bullish continuation. Remember I said that your purpose of switching from 4 hours time frame after identifying the overall movement, the long-term movement of the market, the purpose of switching to 1 hour time frame is to identify the pattern that is being developed. And from here we see that bullish pattern was developed here, and we later had this bullish impulsive move to this point, and then there is a development of what looks like another bullish flag, which is also a continuation pattern. Okay, now I'm not looking at the overall weekly or monthly move of the market, because if you go to higher time frame like monthly, the movement might be different, right? But we are looking at intraday strategy. So now switching to 15 minutes time frame, it is clearer to us what price is doing here. Okay, this is what looks like bullish move, bullish flag, right? But then at this point, I said you have two options. If you have the eyes to identify that this is a bullish flag that is forming, then you can, as a scalper, you can switch to scalping mode, and then you scalp. If you move down to 5 minutes time frame, this is a big market, right? Now, as a scalper, you see now it's becoming clearer. You see, price is okay, making a kind of consolidating move in order to form the bullish flag. This is like the pole of the flag. Now this is from here to here is like the pole of the flag, while here is the flag itself, right? Is the flag itself. Now you might want to be deceived that this is a break moving downwards, okay? That is to make a failed bullish flag, but it's not yet that, because this is a structure that is yet to be broken. Now from here to here, price was making series of higher highs and higher lows. Now until this entire structure, this is structure I'm referring to, right? Until this entire structure is broken here, okay, it is not yet a failed bullish flag, right? So this structure has to be broken. Price has to break, take out this for you to call this a failed bullish flag, and for you to confirm a bearish move, right? But at this point, this is still a forming bullish flag. Okay, having confirmed this, as a scalper, you can be scalping for sure. You can short the market when price comes to the upside, okay, creating a new high, and then you can long the market when price comes to the downside, creating a new low, right? But of course, if it's up to 2-3 times, then you have to stay away from the market, because anything can happen. The market can either break downwards, okay, continuing a bearish giving a signal that there's a price reversal, or it can continue the bullish momentum, okay, after this flag is fully formed. Okay, that's what you need to know, guys. That's what you need to know. So, but the overall concept is that you are a day trader and you are looking for the trading strategy, right? So you are patiently waiting, looking forward to a break of this structure, because definitely price must move away from this pattern that is being formed now, right? It's either going to fail, okay, forming or respecting the bullish flag. In that scenario, price is going to push down on a bearish move, right? And that case, this, you know, recent high that has become a support to the market now would have been taken out and price is coming down. But in that case, if you are looking forward to selling, okay, then you are going to be waiting patiently. But if you are looking forward to buying, then you're also going to be waiting for the upside here. I mean here, okay, to be broken. I mean this point, okay. I'm talking about here. You are waiting for here to be broken, right? If this place is broken, then price will continue pushing up, okay, which is a confirmation of the continuation pattern that is being developed here, right? So whichever one, that is how it is. But I said that Forex is not as hard as we think it is for those who have invested the most important thing in trading. That most important thing is your time, not even the money, okay? Because when you invest your time to understand what price is doing, I mean price of any trading instrument, then you can always take advantage of that, right? So that's gonna be all for this video. It's getting long already. Also, okay, one other thing that can beat people down in trading is that most people do not want to have losses at all, okay? But at the end of the day, you find out that they end up losing all because they feel you cannot lose. You are not supposed to. And when they lose, it gets to their heart, okay? Now, if you have analyzed your trades and you have confirmed, you have made your confirmations and your trades are executed, but you are kicked out or you are having losing streaks, right? You don't have to allow it get to your heart. You just have to take your losses and then wait for another opportunity, which is why you need to take only high probability trade with proper risk management, okay? That's very, very important. You have analyzed your market. You are sticking to your trading rules and trading plan. In fact, that reminds me, if you really want to know what trading plan is, okay, and then the key concepts of setting trade, I mean the setting key concepts of trading, then you let me know in the comment section below and then I'll make videos on that. So if you have analyzed your trade, you executed your trade, you have your confirmations and it goes against you, you take your loss and then you wait for another opportunity, right? So kindly let me know in the comment section if you want me to make videos on any of those things I mentioned earlier, okay, in this video. Let me mention them again. You want me to make videos on indicators that give you the best entry and of course exit confirmation, okay? If you want me to make videos on best and needed candlestick patterns, you want me to make video on classic chart patterns, the key trading concepts, okay, and then I'll gladly do that. Let me know it in the comment section below so that I'll know you have need for such videos. Many thanks for watching to this moment, but do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. And if you have found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and do good to share to others so that we'll know that we are moving together. So this is Ian Great Council signing out for today, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.